So this is what the vine looks like now. It seems kind of crazy to have cut all that off, and now you just kind of have that one main area for growth. But there's still this top piece, which is hard to see because of this building behind, but there's still this top piece right here, which I'm going to trim, and I'll probably just trim it right up in here. And that way it's still being held on right there. So I'm going to do that now. There she is. So So I just did our first year, well, the grapevine will be 2 years old this season, but the first prune on our grapevine. I took off all of the growth except leaving one main stem which went all the way up to the very top of the trellis which we had built last year. So now the fun part of waiting to see what kind of growth this grapevine puts out in the spring and into the summer, and maybe we'll get, I don't know, maybe we'll get a bunch of grapes or two, but I think next year will probably be a much better year for getting some grapes. So looking forward to seeing how this grapevine grows.